We're doing polynomial operations, and this time we're going to use synthetic division for the first part, and then we're going to do it again using polynomial long division. Again, for synthetic division, we just take the coefficients of whatever polynomial we're dividing, and we put them inside the synthetic division bracket. And in order to figure out what we are dividing by, we solve whatever binomial this is, or whatever, in zero product property, so we get x equals 1. And remember, we're going to add down and multiply across. So we bring the 4 down, and then 4 times 1 is 4. 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 times 1 is 5. Negative 3 plus 5 is 2. 2 times 1 is 2. And 7 plus 2 is 9. And remember, this is our remainder, then our constant, then we have our linear term, and then we have our quadratic term. So our solution for this particular problem would be 4x squared plus 5x plus 2 plus our remainder, which is 9, divided by what we were dividing by, which is x minus 1. So that's one way to do it using synthetic division. We can also do the same problem using long division. So we always want to get our lead term to drop out. So we have 1x and we need 2 more. So that's going to be an x squared. And we need to get to 4. So that's going to be 4x squared. Multiply that, and we get 4x cubed. And then 4x squared times negative 1 is negative 4x squared. And we need to subtract the whole thing. So the good news is our lead term cancels out, and x squared minus a negative becomes addition. So that becomes 5x squared. Bring down the negative 3x. And we need to get rid of our lead term, so we need an additional 5x. 5x times x is 5x squared. 5x times negative 1 is negative 5x. And we have to subtract that whole polynomial. Lead term cancels out, and we get 2x. And bring down the constant 7. Again, we have to get our lead coefficient to cancel. So we already have the x, so all we have to do is add 2. So we get 2x. 2 times negative 1 is negative 2. Again, we have to subtract. And we're left with, lead term cancels out. 7 minus a negative becomes 9. So then we take our remainder again, and we add 9 divided by whatever we were dividing by originally, x minus 1. So this is our solution. And as we can see, that matches the same solution that we had earlier using synthetic division.